This is the kind of eyeshadow that looks flawless in real life and in photos. Soft gradients, seamless blending, and just the right touch of luminosity. Today I'll show you exactly how to achieve it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kim Beautyverse. So today I'm going to show you a perfect eyeshadow tutorial which is professional. It's both versatile and elegant, and it works on every eye shape. So I'll take you through each step, explaining the technique and the reason behind it. Let's get going! Well, as you all know, before applying any kind of eyeshadow on your eyes, we need to prep our eyelids. You can use primers, you can use concealers, or maybe foundation. It depends on yourself. I'm using concealer because I feel more comfortable with it. And this thin layer of concealer neutralizes any kind of discolorations, and it creates a uniform surface. So this is kind of a very essential step. This ensures the pigments adhere evenly. So as you can see, all the discolorations are gone. And this step makes the eyeshadow last for over like 12 hours or something. For today, I'm using these two palettes. In this step, I'm taking a large fluffy brush and I take a matte neutral shade. This is the shade I'm using. You know, using a matte shade 1 to 2 tones deeper than your own skin in controlled motions on your crease creates transition, which is perfect, and it makes all the colors blend seamlessly. So it's really important how to blend, because blending is the first important thing you need to consider. Try to blend as much as possible. This is something that makes your makeup professional. Skipping this step often leads to harsh lines, which is somehow awkward. There's no need to rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. The next step, or let's say step number 3, is patting the shimmer. But you can also do this after creating definition as well. I want to use this one. With your fingertip or the flat side of your brush, you can apply shimmer. If you want the maximum intensity, use your fingers. Or as I said, you can use the flat side of your brush. This technique reflects light beautifully, and I love it. I'm not blending anything, I'm just pressing it. Now, for the outer corner, I choose a matte shade 2 to 3 tones deeper than the transition color. This is deep enough for the depth. Remember to add the darkness little by little. Place it in a controlled V shape. And as you can see, I'm expanding it upward to create a lifted eye look. Now with a fluffy brush, blend everything together. This step softens everything, and it avoids harsh lines, and it also can be tricky. So my recommendation is to avoid using too much darkness. And if you want to add more darkness, you can add it little by little. If you want even more professional eyeshadow style, use a concealer and perfect the edges. So I'm taking a flat brush and I'm adding a little bit of concealer on my flat brush. And I'm not pressing it directly on my skin. I am adding it at the back of my hand, and I blend and blend. And now I'm using this. I try to clean the edges. You see how perfect it became? I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. Now it's time to highlight the brow bone and inner corners. Take a flat brush and add some shimmer or highlighter to your brow bones. And after that to your inner corners. Slightly under my brow bone. Just a little bit on my inner corner. The lower lash line is a key finishing touch in a clean professional eyeshadow look. Take a small pencil brush, use the same mid-tone transition color, and I sweep it close to the lashes. This creates continuity between top and bottom. And if you want more intensity, you can add darker shades on the outer third. Okay, so that was the professional eyeshadow makeup. Let's go and finish the look with some mascara or maybe false lashes. And also eyeliner. I have nothing else to say. You know, you can apply thick line, you can apply thin line. I want to apply a very minimal line. That's all. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. This was one of the easiest eyeshadow tutorials, and I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am so much happy to have you beside me. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye!